Hi, my name is Simon and I'm a developer at BeginBound LLC, and we wanted to do a quick video to help you get started with your GrowthPoint theme. Now when you download this from the HubSpot Marketplace, you're going to find it in your design tools. If you click on Marketing, Files and Templates, you'll find design tools right here. And in that left menu, you'll see your GrowthPoint folder. This is a self-contained folder with a theme, and it comes with all the CSS, images, JS modules, and templates, and the theme settings that come with GrowthPoint. Now, if we want to get started building a web page, click on Marketing, Website, and Website Pages. Now, in this area, it'll show all of the website pages that are currently in your portal on your website. Now, we can start building a page here, or we can also go to more tools in content staging if we want to start building out these pages and not have them confuse some of the live pages. For our purposes right now, we'll just create a page right here. And so in the upper right hand corner, we'll click Create and Website Page. Now this opens up a theme page which shows all of the themes that are in your portal. You'll see the CMS boilerplate, and we have our BeginBound theme. But also any other theme that you've downloaded will show up. And here's our GrowthPoint theme. So we'll click on that. And that opens up a list of templates. Here's all the templates that we've included in the GrowthPoint theme. We have different page-specific templates like a resources page, about page, home page. But we also have a blank slate page where it's preloaded with the header, a hero image, and the footer. And then you can just drag and drop the theme modules to build out your own page. So you don't have to start removing things before you start building. For our use right now, we're just going to click on Homepage to have it preload all of the modules that would help with a homepage. And then we'll give it an internal name. All right. Now this loads up the template that we've made for a homepage. And if we scroll down, we'll see all of the modules that are preloaded in. Now, because this is a theme, if you look on the left side of the screen, you'll see that you have the Add tab to add all of your theme modules, contents, and specific modules. And then there's also a third tab called Design. If we click on this, we'll see that we can edit the theme settings. I love theme settings because this helps keep a consistent look throughout the whole entire website. Here you can change global colors, fonts, header things, footer, and buttons, and icon colors. All of these will change globally across all of your modules to help keep a consistent look. If we click the edit button for buttons, you'll see that there's 3 buttons that are included in this theme, and you can style them all differently to match your company's style sheet. Now these are helpful too because when you create a CTA, if you just choose a no style link as a type of CTA, there's an advanced tab that you can click on, and I'll show you that right now. And we can add button/1, button/2, and button/3 to use those theme styles. So let's click on this hero image and go down to where we can add a CTA. Push edit call to action, and we'll create a new CTA with the text get started. And for the button style, since we don't want to use these internal styles because then each one will have to be set separately, we can select link no style, go to our advanced options. Like I was talking about before, we can choose button/1 or button/2 or button/3. And this is going to use the button styling that's found in your theme. Let's see, push next. We'll just put a URL in. And we'll say save. We'll call this the home page hero CTA 1. Insert that. Now if you look, it looks like it's not styled completely, and all you have to do is push apply changes for it to load the CSS in there. And there we go. We have a button 1 from our theme settings. And so wherever you use a CTA, you can apply that CSS class, and it's going to make that button consistent across all modules and all CTAs that you have. Well, if you have any questions, you can reach out to us on the Begin Bound site. I hope you have a quick and easy time building out your GrowthPoint theme. Happy building.